Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Zipporah, the Luxe Angel, and this is another Louis Vuitton unboxing. I know you can hear it in my voice. I am so excited. I have waited for this item for, I want to say it's been like 6 or 7 weeks, almost 7 weeks. I bought it I placed my order on September 3rd and it just arrived and it's October 23rd. So that should give you an idea of what this is. I'm gonna get right into it. So let's just open this box. It's kind of huge. Now this is new. It's new for me anyway. Can someone leave in the comments like, have you received this before? The book? This is number 12, so clearly this is not new. It says number 12. But this is the first time I've ever received it. I don't know, maybe I've made enough purchases that they like give me stuff, which is nice. But the spirit of travel, this is actually kind of cool. So it has a table of contents and everything. It's like a little magazine, and it just talks about all the stuff that they've done this year, which is going to be really, really cool. But this is a nice little freebie because, oh, sorry, my husband is watching a game. Never mind him. Excuse him. But this is really, really cool because it will make a very good coffee table piece. So I'm excited to receive it. For real. If in the comment section, let me know if you've received this or why I might be receiving this now. I don't know. This is my 4th Louis Vuitton purchase this year. So maybe that's why, I don't know. Okay, so we've all seen this before. We know the receipt and everything is in here. La da la da la. Let's get to this baby. Ah, that just came all wrapped up with bows. I'm sorry, this box is huge. Okay, no one cares about that. Oh, I didn't leave a note to myself, of course. Y'all all know. I'm not gonna go through all of this because y'all have seen unboxings before. Oh my gosh, I just gotta get to this. Now this is in a little box. Relatively small, so you should know what it is. Actually, if you follow me on my blog, if you're reading my blog regularly, you should know what this is because I already said what I was purchasing. Thank you, Louis, for the ribbons. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The moment of truth. Let me make sure my hands are so clean. I'm like sweating, like, okay, let us go. Oh my God, look at her just nestled in like a sleeping baby. Oh God, let this be good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I feel her, I feel her. Wow, she feels super tiny. She feels literally like a newborn nugget. Okay, so here's what I got. Oh my gosh, here she is. Oh my gosh. This is my, oh, look how cute. They got it right. Oh my gosh. Yes, guys, this is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in the My LV World Tour edition. And wow, everything came attached. That's nice. Okay, so if you know anything about the My World Tour, you basically can customize a bag with travel stickers or stickers meant to resemble travel stickers. And that is to pay homage to Louis Vuitton's legacy as a travel company. I chose, you can get on the Alma BB, you can get a total of up to, I think, 6 stickers. But I chose to leave one side blank so it could be, you know, well, blank and neutral, and I can wear it with more things. And I just chose to get one sticker. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And I'm just kind of inspecting it right now just a little bit. Now this, though, it is customized, so it's not like I'd be able to return or exchange it, but if there was an issue, I'd be able to get it fixed. So I got this bag. And I customized it with, it says Mrs. ZK, which is my initials, but I put the Mrs. there because this year marked my 7th wedding anniversary, and everyone says that like after 7 years there's a 7-year itch and you might not want to be married to your spouse, and it's been the complete opposite for my husband and I feel like we love each other more now than we ever have, and I'm just so proud and honored to be his wife. So that's why I put the Mrs. ZK. I'm calling it my title bag. But just so cute. So I have one side that has a cute little, you know, heart, and then one side that's plain. And let's see here, it says, focus camera, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Guys, this is my very first bag that's made in France, and normally I don't really care where my bags are from. All my other luxury items are made in Italy, but the reason this is cool that it's made in France is because, well, Louis Vuitton is a French brand, and this was customized, made to order for me in France. So cool. So here is the little LV lock. I'm shocked that it comes all attached already. I thought it would like, I'd have to like open it and like get all the stuff out, but they have it all attached for me already, which is very interesting. Okay, so are the keys? Yeah, the keys are already in here too. They probably are like, people don't know how to put this stuff on, so let me just help them, which I appreciate. But like, let's see. I want to make sure the keys actually work. Oh, it does, it works. Let's try the other one. Oh yeah, they both work, so that's good. I plan on actually hanging the lock from this. I want to try that out. I'm gonna try multiple ways. Let's check the zipper, make sure it's all good. Feels nice and smooth. This is my very first monogram piece also. My very first monogram piece. And everything is looking good so far. Again, because this is customized, like I wouldn't be able to return it, but I would have to, you know, have them fix it, which would be a hassle. So I'm gonna wear this on my arm. Oh my gosh, yes, and this is just in time. You can customize this bag. You can get this monogram with the classic vachetta, or you can get the red interior and the black treated leather. I chose to go with the black treated leather because I wanted a carefree bag that I can wear all weather, rain or shine. I live in a place where in the spring and in the fall it's very rainy, and we also have a winter, so I wanted an everyday bag that I can wear rain or shine. And here she is. And of course it has the little slip pocket in the back. Wow, here we go. And here's this information. I can't believe they attached everything for me already. Super cool. So here is the item number, Alma BB, My LV World Tour, if you want to check that out. And I ordered this September 3rd before the price increase on October 1st. So when I purchased this, it retailed for $1,860. After the price increase, it is now $2,030. So I'm very happy that I got it before the price increase. Not that it mattered. If I really wanted it, I would have gotten it anyway. Textile and dewy. Oh, this is not. Coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. Yes, 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 we all know. And that they put this. I thought this was for the keys, but here we go. And it always comes with this. If you look at other people who unbox this, it comes with this now yours personalization services, because of course it is personalized. And I do plan on taking this in and getting it hot stamped. I'm probably gonna get Vivienne hot stamped on it, just so I can have a little Vivienne piece that doesn't cost like an arm and a leg, because you know how that is when you want Vivienne. But what else can I say? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to do a what fit. Let me smell this, because my other LV bag I've had for over a year and it smells brand new. This smells like chemicals, so yes, you can tell that it is brand new. Okay, and here is the strap. It is removable, but it is not adjustable. And first I thought I would get the Damier Ebene print, but it was out of stock, and I'm glad that it was, because the more I looked at this bag, the more I loved it. And Damier Ebene version of this bag is everywhere, let's be honest. And I'm really happy I went with this, because you don't see many people with this bag. I mean, if you try to search this in Instagram or on Google or even YouTube, there's literally like only a handful of people who have this bag and this version. And because it is customizable, you're probably most likely going to be the only one with your bag. You know, it's customized just for you. Another reason I'm happy I got this is because the Alma BB was originally customized for the one and only Coco Chanel in 1925, and then it was released to the public in 1934. So if you get the My World Tour version, it's customized for you. So you're getting it in the same tradition that it was created for Coco Chanel. So it's kind of like your Coco, like they're customizing a bag for you, and it's the Alma BB. And now I have the second bag that Louis Vuitton introduced in the second print that they introduced, which is the Monogram. It was introduced to the brand in 1896, I believe. Damier Ebene was the first print, and so I plan on getting the first bag they introduced, the Speedy, in the first print, Damier Ebene. And then I'll have the first bag they introduced in the first print, and the second bag they introduced in the second print. So that is another reason I went with this, and I'm so glad I did. I can't wait to show you what this looks like with a moto jacket. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. But yes, not too many people have this. Oh, I'm just so excited. But definitely follow me on my blog, theluxeangel.com, because that's where I post like my pictures for like outfit of the day, makeup of the day, and so you'll see me style this bag or what I'm doing with this bag. I actually bought some accessories for the bag to see. Oh my god, look at that. It's gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh, like, and again, I do plan on making the lock the accessory by hanging it from the clochette, but oh, this is going to be so cute on either side. Oh my goodness. Should I just affix it now just to see? Everything looks good so far, guys. You know, I'm not an expert, so I don't know. I haven't looked at all the stitching or anything like that, but so far so good. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. So pretty baby. Oh my gosh. I am just thrilled. So yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB My LV World Tour Edition. And yes, now after the price increase, it is over $2,000. So I am very glad I got it before then. But who cares? It's not like I'm never going to buy LV again. So I'm sure I will be buying more things after price increases. That's just the nature of the business. Whatever. Oh, the pearls look so cute with this, like the white that pops out of this heart. Oh my gosh. I'm wearing this tomorrow. I am wearing this tomorrow. So that's it, guys. I think I've said all that I can say. Anything else I will write on my blog. Again, go and follow my blog, theluxeangel.com, and you'll see different updates regarding this bag and all my other purchases. Oh, I have some wonderful beauty purchases that I just made from Dior, and you'll get to have a look at that, etc., etc. All right, thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, have a gorgeous day. Bye.